Hi everyone, today I will show you how to enrich the data of your contacts on HubSpot. As you might already have some contacts on HubSpot but miss some key information such as the LinkedIn profile, details on the company, like the company industry, the number of followers on LinkedIn, and the company website. You will also be able to get more information regarding your contacts, such as the previous experiences, the school they attended, and also their skills, for example. So let's jump in. The first thing you need to do if you have not done it yet is to create your list of contacts on HubSpot. So I will go on lists and I will create my list of contacts. To create a list, you always have to select a filter. In this case, I will select contact properties. And as I was uploading contacts on HubSpot today, I will select the create dates property. And I will set it to is today. So I will have the contacts I was uploading today on HubSpot. But you can see that I was already enriching some contacts because you have the emails for some of them. So I will add another filter, contact properties, and I will select email is unknown. So I now have my list ready and I will hit review and save. So now that I have my list of contacts ready on HubSpot, I will head back to Phantom Buster, browse the solutions, and select the HubSpot Phantom and enrich your contact list. So there I need to select my list as an input, this one, test Nathan, and then I need to input the LinkedIn profile URL. So the Phantom knows which LinkedIn profiles to enrich. Then on the behavior, I will select enrich your profiles with company data so I can collect even more data points concerning the company. And as you can see below, I have the option of pushing contact updates to HubSpot. Selecting this option, I will be able to directly update the information of my contacts on HubSpot without the need to set up a new Phantom to push the updated information. So my best advice for you here is to keep this option selected. Then you can map your fields. You can see that, for instance, you will be able to send the phone number and professional email to HubSpot. And if you click on add property, you'll be able to add new data points to HubSpot, such as the company industry. Then you need to select the right property on HubSpot. I will also maybe need the company website. The school that was attended by my contacts, their amount of followers on LinkedIn. And I think we are good to go. But if you want to send more data points, you can click on the drop down and you will see all the variables that you will collect thanks to this Phantom. So as you can see, there are many of them. Then you need to select the right property on HubSpot. And if the property is not yet existing, you can create your custom properties directly on your CRM. Now I'm good to go, so I will hit save, save again, and launch the Phantom. Okay, so my Phantom finished running. You can see 46 leads updated. Let's head back to HubSpot to see the enriched information on the contacts. Coming back on my list, remember that before I had no emails, and here you can see that I was getting some of them. I do not have the email address on all the contacts because when I'm enriching the information, I will not get the business email on 100% of the contacts. But let's check the other enriched information that I was getting on the contacts. So I will select this one, for instance, and then I will check his properties. One of the data points I was matching was the website. So you can see that I was getting the website on this property. There was also the industry, higher education. So I got it from the Phantom. Also the school. And the school is here. So now I have an up-to-date list on HubSpot with enriched information I was getting thanks to Phantom Burster. This is the end of the video and the use case. Please feel free to ask your questions in the comments. Thank you for listening. See you in the next tutorial.